Here we go again, guys. We have another unboxing for you guys today. In these boxes, we have $1,500 worth of sneakers. Nikes, Jordans, man, you name it, we got it in here today. It's gonna be a fun unboxing. And I'm gonna be getting into it real quick, but before I do, I wanna give a shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Rose Gold and Black. Rose Gold and Black is the premier minimalistic jewelry company that I personally love, guys. The reason why I love Rose Gold and Black so much is because of the affordability of the products that they have. As you guys can see today, I'm actually wearing the bar necklace that just recently came out on RGB. You guys can check it out over here. Price on this thing is just really good, and I mean, for the style that you're getting, you guys can see it against that black t-shirt. It just pops really well, man, and it's a minimalistic style. It's just very sleek and easy to wear, man. It's not like you're trying to get in somebody's face and wear something super flashy and stuff. It's more just kind of like a laid back, throw it on kind of thing, and it just adds to your outfit, which I think is really good, man. And on top of the great affordability of price already, man, they also have a special deal for the Untied Ohana. So if you guys go to the link in the description below, you guys will get 20% off your order as well as free shipping when you guys use that link. Whole bunch of necklaces, bracelets, rings, you name it, man. They have it on there, so check it out. Again, use the link in the description and you will get 20% off as well as free shipping. First box of the day, man. This one, we have a size 8.5, which you guys know if you guys watch this channel, that's not my size because this is not for me. I'll show you why. Oh man, wow. Okay, this is a sleek shoe, man. This is actually the Nike Dunk Low Plum that just recently released again. I didn't cop this shoe for myself because this was actually the winner's shoe from the February Dream Shoe giveaway. He wanted to get this shoe because he really loved it. It's a size 8.5, his size, and I'm hoping that it goes straight to feet for the guy, but we gotta see. Anyway, this was his choice, so I picked it up for him. I have it sent to me first because I want to make sure that it's legit, authenticated and whatnot, and then I send it out to the winner. When I see this in hand, dude, I really am thinking that I might have to cop a pair for myself because this is actually really nice. I mean, check this out over here, guys. This is a beautiful looking sneaker. As stated in its name, I mean, it does have like that plum purple kind of look. And when you guys check out like the material and stuff used on here, it is really nice in my opinion, dude. So this is really nice to see, and I think I might have to pick one up, man. Gavin, the winner from February, you really picked a good choice, dude. You might have actually sold me too. I might have to get a personal for myself. Anyway, this will be mailed out to the winner soon. Thank you guys again for entering that giveaway. I know most of you guys will not win the Dream Shoe giveaway, and I'm sorry about that. I really wish I had like the income and stuff to like give everybody their dream sneakers, but I mean, shoes are expensive, and it's really impossible with like millions of people collecting sneakers. But I do hope to do this more often, so there may be one in March, I'm not sure yet. But if you guys want to see another Dream Shoe giveaway, don't forget to like the video down below. So now we can actually get into the shoes that I got for the personal, man. This one, as you guys can see, is from Nike, and let's see what we got. This is new. Nike is offsetting 100% of the carbon emissions for this shipment. Please help us by recycling this carton. That's kind of cool, man. Like that. Going green is the way to go, man. That's awesome. But Nike, just really get rid of this tape. If you guys have the branding over here, get rid of the tape. You guys don't need it. Shoe number 2. I was getting a little bit worried because I thought for a second that this wasn't the right size, but then I remembered it's a women's sneaker. You guys will see why. The UNC to Chicago Jordan 1. This one just released on All-Star Weekend, and honestly, this was the only pickup that I got from All-Star Weekend. It was tough sledding out there, guys. Really hard to cop anything, but thankfully we were able to get this one in my size, which was cool. It's very similar to the top 3 Jordan 1s that released in like the men's sizing and whatnot. This women's one, I mean, it does have like a different leather material, and the color blocking is slightly different, but overall, pretty much the same look. When I'm looking at it up close, it looks really good actually, man. And for the price difference between this and the top 3s, I think this is a lot cheaper. On the aftermarket, they're going now for maybe like slightly over 200 bucks, so it's not bad at all. So if you guys are trying to cop like a Jordan 1 and you guys want a good Jordan 1 in your collection, I think this is the way to go. Just remember that it is women's sizing though. So for this one, I got a size 12 because that equals a 10.5, which is my true size. So don't forget to do that or else you're gonna have a shoe too small for you. That's a nice one right there, man. I don't know why a lot of people are sleeping on this. It's a clean design, I like it. Oh, shoot. You gotta love this box. You gotta love this box. This is a Jordan 1 box, and the shoe that we actually copped is... Here we go, here we go. A pair of Jordan 1 Unions in the storm blue colorway, man. Such a beautiful shoe. I mean, check this thing out, guys. This is such a beautiful shoe. The quality on this thing is just insane. The different kind of materials that are used are beautiful, and if you guys can see right there, this is actually a slightly worn sneaker, but you can't tell at all based off of what you see on the shoe. Literally, the only thing that's showing you that it's used is that there's slight toe box creasing over here, but other than that, there's like no markers on here to show that it's used. I actually picked the shoe up on GOAT used for $775 when they're going brand new, I think for like 11 or 1200 bucks now. So that's a savings of math, $400, something like that. Really good savings. And also in here, it comes with the original paper, original box. It's got the laces. It's got the GOAT authentication card. It even has the hang tag, dude. The Union hang tag. Yeah, see that over here. So it has OG all, and I saved 400 bucks. And the important thing with this one that I want to show you guys is like why I actually picked this up. Because if you guys know, I already have a Jordan 1 Storm Blue Union in the collection. That shoe is right here. And this shoe is in dead stock condition. You guys can see it still has the lace bags attached, and I never wore it yet. And I'm glad that I didn't actually wear these just yet, because now what I'm gonna be doing is that I'm gonna sell this brand new pair on the market for whatever it's going for. Like I said, like maybe 1200 bucks. And then where the used one that I just picked up, which looks exactly the freaking same, again, it barely looks worn at all. Look at the toe boxes. Barely. So I'm gonna be switching to this one, and that means I saved $400 on that sneaker just because I didn't wear this one yet. That is the reason why it's like important to not only look for like new shoes, but to check out the used section as well. I know used shoes aren't for everybody, but seriously, man, like if I can save $400 by just having somebody wear this once and making it barely worn, I mean barely worn, they might have wore it half, not even once, they wore it half, then I'm gonna do that, man, because now I can sell this one, make $400, and still have the shoe that I really like. So that is my little tip to you guys. Make sure you guys always check the market. Make sure you guys are always looking for different kind of used shoes and the best deals and deals that you can. Anyway, guys, that is it for this unboxing. A lot of dope sneakers in here. Very happy that the shoe finally came in for the February Dream Shoe giveaway winner, Gavin. So that will be going out really soon to Gavin. Again, don't forget to check out Rose Gold and Black for the best minimalistic jewelry on the market, guys. That is linked in the description below as well. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, and I will see you on the next episode. Aloha. Shoot!